Good afternoon. I've been out for a couple rides now in the winter, and after my first one I decided to install Oxford heated grips. These are the Oxford Heaterz Adventure Premium, the Premium Adventure. I did watch some videos and some reviews, and some people with bikes similar to mine or other ADVs, instead of going with the Adventure grips, ended up going with a sport touring grip, I think it was, or touring, because they're shorter, at least on the throttle side. I went with the Adventure, and they fit just fine. I did have to grind a piece of plastic down on my throttle body on the inside. It was just some plastic, just to allow the grip to be pushed a little further in. Otherwise it would have been sitting out too far inboard and looked kind of goofy. So right now I am wearing my summer gloves. Today is not too cold, but the grips feel great. I have it only on 30%, and the throttle side I feel warm, and the clutch side not quite as warm. I'm going to put it up to 50% and see. But my hands are not cold, and it sure is nice feeling that heat under there. Okay. I'm going to leave that on for a second after turning off the bike. Apparently this is supposed to go into battery saving mode when it detects that there's no more current going to the battery, so that way your battery doesn't get drained. So let's just see if that works. In the meantime, you can see here my controller. I've put my controller on my clutch connection here, and it's got a little plate, and the plate, can't get around to it right now. It's screwed on from the back, but the screws aren't that great. One of them actually snapped, but there is a tape on there, a double-sided tape holding it in place. So hopefully this will be okay. We'll have to see how that goes. The cables I have run through, so you can see here the cables from the controller and the grips, which is right under here. I ran them with all my other cables, and down here, and see if you can see, I'm not sure if we can see this or not, the red and yellow connections. So one's the left and one's the right size, and they're the waterproof connections, so it's the newer version of the Heaterz premium grips. And of course on this side as well, you can see I've got my throttle side up here, and instead of down, because down, you know, they said something making sure it clears your brake, and I just thought, well, I'll just make sure it clears the brake, and then it's only going back and forth. So you can see I've got quite a bit of slack here, so that shouldn't be an issue. And in this short ride I haven't found any problems. So again, the cables are going all the way down. I had to remove my side panels, fairing, and the tank and my seat to run these cables underneath to put them nice and neat. But so far, wearing my, oh, you can see it's going into battery saving mode now, so it must be getting ready to turn itself off. So far today, I don't know what the temperature is. It's not super cold. You can see there's still snow on the ground, but it's melting pretty fast. But I'm wearing my KLIM summer gloves, and my hands are nice. They're nice and toasty. I wouldn't go up above 50%, I don't think. I think it would be too hot, but I'm very happy with those. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.